Today is July 18th and I'm harvesting some strawberries as well as some other fruits in the garden. And here you can see a bunch more strawberries that's gonna mature pretty soon. A lot of them, and you can see the runners growing. And also I harvested some tomatoes. You can see some red ones over here. And this is the first harvest of this year. You can see this nice big strawberry. It's actually one of the best strawberry I had since last year. And then 2 tomatoes and a bunch of blueberries. And I also decided to prune the hydrangea today because it's looking really messy. And yeah, so this is the first one I cut off. And I'm also pruning this guy over here. You can see some dried flowers over here. I'll prune those off from the base. And I'm also gonna prune this small one just slightly, just cutting the flowers off since it's so small and there's only a few branches. So this is what it looks like after I prune everything. These are all the branches that I'm gonna throw away. So this is what the small hydrangea looked like after I prune it. As you can see, lots of new growth at the base, so that's gonna take over, kind of. And then the big hydrangea, you can see I prune off a lot of the branches from the base, since it's getting a little messy. And this guy, I only prune off the dried flower from the base, so it's still looking pretty full. But yeah, that should give the hydrangea plenty of room to grow.